Hi, I'm Ryan James with Liberty Adjusters. Did you know that you have certain requirements under your insurance policy to mitigate additional loss when you're filing a claim? And what that means is, for example, with a plumbing leak in a kitchen, you're required to stop that leak either by turning off the water, which I'll be showing you in another video on how to do that, or contacting a plumber to come out and actually do the repairs so that leak has stopped. You do not want to wait for your insurance company to process the claim. This is something that you're required to do as per your policy language. Another thing to do is, of course, you're going to want to clean up the water with towels and what have you, maybe a shop vac, but you're also likely going to need a water mitigation company to come out and properly dry out your cabinetry and your walls, because they're porous and they suck up water kind of like a sponge, and they can remain wet even though they don't appear wet. And this will lead to microbial growth and mold growth and nasty stuff that you don't want happening behind your walls and cabinets. If you have questions regarding your insurance claim, either before or after filing it, feel free to contact Liberty Adjusters, and we'll be happy to help you with that claim.